Cooking with Lil here. Today we're going to compare my homemade chocolate chip cookies to store-bought cookies that we picked up yesterday. So let's see which is better, mine or store-bought. So come along and let's make some cookies. First, let's mix the dry ingredients. So we have 3/4 cup and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then we just have to mix all the dry ingredients and set it aside. On the other mixing bowl, we're going to make the wet ingredients. So we have 1/3 cup and a tablespoon of unsalted butter. It should be softened. A 1/4 cup and 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. A 1/4 cup and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. We just have to whisk it until creamy. Then add 1 large egg. And I'm gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Wait. Here you go. My husband helped me. Thanks, honey. I have a trouble opening it because it's not open yet, and we only need a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. After we mix all the wet ingredients, next thing that we're gonna do is to pour the dry ingredients over wet ingredients and mix it together. Pour the dry ingredients into the wet mixtures in sections. Don't pour it all at once or you'll risk clumping. I have a few chocolate chip cookies, and I think this is like a half cup of chocolate chip cookies. And we only need chocolate chips. Chocolate chip.
Those are the cookies.
These are the cookies.
Those are just the chips.
Chocolate chips. No. We already used some of it. So, you know, we can call it chocolate chip cookies. Just a little bit of chocolate chip at least.
Hey!
Oh!
This is the right amount.
1 chocolate chip left. Come on, get up. Okay, so we're just gonna add a chocolate chip. It's a bit like cookie dough. Alright, that's good. 1 tablespoon of cookie dough. Now that our cookie dough is complete, we will place our cookies onto our baking sheet. I recommend to use a spoon for sizing your cookies, so they're all of similar size. Don't forget to place some parchment paper first or butter the sheet in order for the cookies to not stick. Now that my oven is ready, it's time to bake our cookies. Bye. Ooh. Hi, I'm back. My cookies is cooked now. Be careful, it's so hot. Going to transfer my cookie. It's so soft. So now we're going to bake the store-bought cookies that we bought yesterday.
I mean, you just need to bake it. That's good. That's good.
For these store-bought cookies, we bake them at 325 degrees for 10 minutes. This was the perfect temp and time for these little babies. So now, this is the store-bought cookies that we bought. Let's bake it. Hi, I'm back. And here's the baked cookie. one each wheat tastes better. Okay, so first cookies, you have to guess which one is good. So this is the blanc cookies.
I want to smell it first.
Okay. All right, and have a bite, honey.
Oh. That's a good cookie. Okay, I'll give you a score.
Yeah.
Tastes really, really good. Can I have the other one?
Okay, so here's the other one. Ah.
Where's the chocolate chip? There are chocolate chips in there?
Yeah. Chocolate chip. Another bite.
I gave it a 7. Oh, was that yours? I mean, I give it a 9. It was really good. It was really good. You know, it had the perfect texture. It was really nice.
Okay.
Thanks for watching.
Alright, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for watching Cooking with Lil. See you next time. Have a good day. Don't forget to subscribe.
Bye.